So she doesn't want the kids to go up there because it's like, yeah, the water's like really close. So I'm gonna wait for the kids to go down a little bit, and then I'm gonna sneak up there and I'm gonna touch it. They just don't want the kids to follow me. So we're just gonna wait for a minute, let them all go. And then I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna touch it. Yeah, just wait. Alright, we're gonna try to get up here. One thing that kind of disturbs me a little bit is that nobody's even looking back to see if I'm following them or not. Oh, they don't care. Oh, this is actually, this stuff's like really, I wonder if I can make it up there. I mean, it's just right there. It's literally just right there. But it looks like all this is like, it's all mud and stuff. So I don't know if I can actually make it up there. Maybe I'll put the camera down and see if I can touch it and just get a picture maybe. All right. All right, this is documentation in case if I fall or some shit goes sideways. Yeah. Woo. Oh, that was close. All right, here we go. Woo. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. I mean, obviously it's a glacier, but woo. All right, now I gotta get back. A little bit of dirt climbing, but it was worth it. Now I gotta make it back down to all the kids. Woo. Oh God. Oh God. Woo. Oh, here we go. All right. I'm gonna turn this off now. I'll see y'all later. Worth it.